Think your Snapchat is safe? Think again. In 2026, hackers are more creative and more dangerous than ever. Today, I'm exposing the secret Snapchat hacks cybercriminals use and how you can protect yourself. If you value your digital privacy, this video is for you. Let's dive into the 10 secret hacks hackers use and how you can fight back. Let's kick things off with one of the most deceptive and dangerous weapons in the hacker's playbook: phishing links. These are cleverly disguised traps that can fool even the most cautious internet users. Hackers use phishing because it's simple, effective, and preys on our trust and curiosity. Every day, millions of phishing attempts are sent out, hoping to catch someone off guard. Picture this. You're casually scrolling through your phone when suddenly you get a message that looks exactly like it's from Snapchat. The message might say there's a problem with your account, or that you need to verify your information to avoid being locked out. It feels urgent, and that's exactly what hackers want: you to act fast, without thinking. The message includes a link, and when you tap it, you're taken to what appears to be the Snapchat login page. But here's the catch: it's a fake. The page is designed to look identical to the real thing, with the same colors, logos, and layout. The only difference is, when you enter your username and password, you're handing them straight to the hacker. Hackers are experts at making these fake pages look convincing. Sometimes, the only clue is a tiny difference in the URL. Maybe a single letter is off, or there's an extra word. It's easy to miss, especially if you're in a hurry or distracted. That's why it's so important to always check the web address carefully before entering any personal information. Once you type in your details, the hacker instantly receives your credentials. With your username and password, they can log into your Snapchat account, lock you out, and even use your account to target your friends. The damage can happen in seconds, and recovering your account can be a nightmare. You might think two-factor authentication will protect you, but if you enter your security code on a fake page, hackers can grab that too. They use it right away to break into your account, bypassing the extra layer of security you thought would keep you safe. So, what can you do? Always double-check the URL before logging in. Look for small mistakes or odd spellings. Never click on links from emails or messages that seem suspicious, even if they look official. If something feels off, trust your instincts and don't rush. The safest way to access Snapchat is by opening the app directly or typing the official website into your browser yourself. Avoid using links sent to you, especially if you weren't expecting them. Remember, staying safe online is all about staying calm, being aware, and never rushing to enter your details. Take a moment to think before you act, and you'll be much less likely to fall for the fake login trap. Next up, let's talk about Keylogger apps, one of the most dangerous tools in a hacker's arsenal. These sneaky programs are designed to secretly record every single thing you type on your device, whether it's a text message, a private note, or even your Snapchat password. Every keystroke is captured without you ever knowing. Hackers are clever. They often disguise keyloggers as harmless downloads or apps that look completely legitimate. Sometimes, these apps might even appear to offer useful features, making them seem trustworthy at first glance. Once a keylogger is installed, it works silently in the background, tracking your every move. Every password, message, or search you type is recorded and then secretly sent to a hacker, who can use this information to access your accounts or steal your identity. Keyloggers can spread in several ways: through malicious links in emails or texts, infected attachments, or even fake app updates that trick you into installing them. To protect yourself, only download apps from trusted sources like the official App Store or Google Play. Avoid third-party app stores or suspicious websites, as these are common places where keyloggers hide. Make sure to keep your device's software updated, since updates often include security patches that block new threats. It's also a good idea to use reputable security apps that can scan for and remove malware, including keyloggers. If your device suddenly starts acting strangely, like running slowly, crashing, or showing apps you don't remember installing, don't ignore it. These could be signs that a keylogger or other malware is present. Investigate immediately and remove any suspicious apps. Remember, prevention is your best defense. Stay alert, be cautious about what you download, and regularly check your device for anything unusual. Protecting your personal information starts with you. SIM swapping is one of the most dangerous hacks out there. Hackers convince your mobile provider to transfer your phone number to a SIM card they own. Once they control your number, they can intercept your Snapchat verification codes and reset your password. Set up a PIN or password on your mobile account and never share it. Be wary of sharing personal info online and monitor your phone for sudden loss of service. If you ever lose service unexpectedly, contact your provider right away. The faster you act, the better your chances of stopping the hack. Social engineering is all about manipulating people, not computers. Instead of hacking into systems with code, social engineers use psychological tricks to get what they want. They exploit human emotions like trust, fear, and curiosity to convince you to hand over sensitive information or perform actions you normally wouldn't. This makes social engineering one of the most dangerous and effective tools in a hacker's arsenal. Hackers might pretend to be Snapchat support, a friend, or even a family member to trick you into revealing sensitive info. They can create fake profiles that look almost identical to real ones, making it hard to spot the difference. Sometimes, they'll even use details from your life to make their messages seem more believable, like mentioning your friends or recent activities. They use information from your social media to sound convincing. By studying your posts, photos, and even your comments, they can craft messages that feel personal and urgent. This makes it much easier for them to gain your trust and lower your guard. You might get a DM about an urgent security issue, asking for your login details. These messages often create a sense of panic, making you feel like you need to act immediately to protect your account. But that's exactly what the hacker wants, so you don't have time to think. Never share your credentials or verification codes with anyone, even if they seem official. Real companies will never ask for your password or two-factor authentication codes through direct messages or emails. If someone is pressuring you to share this information, it's a red flag. Snapchat support will never ask for your password via DM or email. If you ever receive a message claiming to be from support and asking for sensitive info, it's almost certainly a scam. If you're unsure, contact support directly through the app. Use official channels to verify any suspicious messages or requests. It's always better to double-check than to risk your account's security. If something feels off, trust your instincts. Your gut feeling is often your best defense against social engineering. Take a moment to pause, think, and verify before you respond to any unexpected or urgent requests. It's tempting to use third-party apps that promise extra Snapchat features. But using unofficial apps is a huge risk. They often require your Snapchat login and can steal your info. Some are outright scams. Others get hacked or sold to bad actors. Snapchat bans these apps, and using them can get your account locked. Hackers exploit these apps to collect usernames and passwords. Only use the official Snapchat app and regularly check your account's connected apps. Remove any you don't recognize. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Brute force attacks use automated programs to guess thousands of passwords per minute. Weak passwords, like 11234556 or password, are cracked instantly. Snapchat has security measures, but determined hackers still find ways around. Use strong, unique passwords for every account. Combine upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Consider a password manager to keep track of complex passwords. Don't make it easy for hackers. Public Wi-Fi is convenient, but it's also a hacker's paradise. On unsecured networks, hackers can intercept your Snapchat login, messages, and photos. Some even set up fake Wi-Fi hotspots to trick you into connecting. Avoid logging into Snapchat or sensitive accounts on public Wi-Fi. If you must use it, connect through a VPN to encrypt your data. Always double-check the network name and ask staff if you're unsure. Public Wi-Fi is never truly secure. Think before you connect. Credential stuffing is when hackers use leaked usernames and passwords from other sites to break into Snapchat accounts. If you've ever reused a password, your Snapchat could be at risk. Hackers run automated scripts with these combos, hoping for a match. Use unique passwords for every account and enable two-factor authentication. Regularly check if your credentials have been part of a breach using sites like Have You Been Pwned. Don't let hackers get lucky with your login. One weak link can put your entire digital life at risk. Spyware is malicious software that secretly monitors everything you do, including your Snapchat activity. Hackers might install spyware through fake app downloads, phishing links, or physical access to your phone. Some spyware is so advanced, you won't notice any changes to your device. Keep your device updated, avoid suspicious downloads, and use strong security software. Be careful with app permissions. Don't grant more access than necessary. If your device starts acting strangely, investigate right away. It could be spyware lurking in the background. Let's talk about fake verification scams. Hackers pose as Snapchat or your friends, asking for your verification code or sensitive info. They use urgent language and real Snapchat graphics to trick you. If anyone asks for verification info, it's a red flag. Snapchat will never request your code through DMs or unofficial channels. If you get a suspicious message, don't respond. Report it immediately. Double-check with the sender through another method if you're unsure. Never share your verification codes with anyone. Now you know the 10 secret Snapchat hacks hackers are using and how to protect yourself. With these tips, you're one step ahead of the hackers. Stay safe online. Knowledge is your best defense. Share this video with your friends so they can stay protected too. Drop a comment if you learned something new and subscribe for more tech insights.